Hey there everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to log out of Twitter remotely. So basically, if you're logged in a PC or some other device on your Twitter account, but you want to log out from there because maybe someone's on the computer or using that device and you're scared they're logging in your Twitter just to check stuff, you want to log out but your phone is in you, this is how you do it. Open up Twitter and go to your profile by clicking the top left here. Then go to settings and privacy. Once you've done that, click on security and account access and click on apps and sessions. Wait for it to load. And here there might be a little problem because I might not be able to show you this because usually all recording programs and Android blocks private information in sessions. So when you click on apps and sessions, yeah, as you can see, you'll see a black screen on the video right now. But if you click on your phone, you'll see connected apps, sessions, account history, and logged in devices and apps. Click on sessions, and there you can have the option in red, log out of all other sessions. We just need to click that and it will be logged out from our other sessions. So I can show it directly on the screen, but privacy and whatnot. Anyway, hope this helped you. See you next time. If it did, like and subscribe, and have a nice day.